Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question, a question on geometry. Here comes the question. Let C be a circle of radius 5 meters having center at O. Let PQ be a chord of C that passes through points A and B, where A is located 4 meters north of O and B is located 3 meters east of O. Then the length of PQ in meters is nearest to. Fine. So we have a circle of radius 5 meters. And the center is O. Now there is a chord PQ which passes through 2 points A and B. Let's say there is a chord PQ here which goes through 2 points A and B, where A is located 4 meters north of O. North means up. So let us say this is A. This OA is 4 and B is located 3 meters east of O. Let us say this is 3 meters east. This is B. So this is north and this is east, means obviously they are perpendicular. So OAB becomes a right angle triangle. If this is 3 and 4, by applying Pythagoras theorem, you can say that AB is 5. 3 square, AB square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square, you can get AB 5. Now, if I draw a perpendicular from O to AB, let us say this touches at D, a perpendicular, what is this OD going to be? You know, area of a triangle is half base into height. We can say half into base AB into, that is 5 into height. Height is nothing but I am saying OD. So OD is the area, but you know, area of a right angle triangle is half into product of two sides, half into 3 into 4 also I can say. This also will give me area. Area is equal to half into product of the two sides. Area is equal to half into base into height, because it's a right angle triangle. So you can see from this OD equals to 12 by 5, that is 2.4. So this OD is 2.4. Now this is a right angle here. Suppose if I join this OQ, now if I consider triangle ODQ, the angle ODQ is right angle, because angle at D is 90 degrees, because we have written a perpendicular. So then we can say that OQ square will be equal to OD square plus DQ square. But what is OQ? Nothing but radius, and radius is 5. 5 square equals to OD square. What is OD? Just now we got it, 2.4 square equals to DQ square. From this we can say DQ square equals to 5 square 25 minus 2.4 square. 24 square is 576. 2.4 square is 5.76. It will be 19.24. You know, 19.24 means, you know, 45 square is 2025, or 4.5 square is 20.25. 4.4 square, 44 square will be 19.36. So DQ is close to 4.4, because 4.4 whole square or 44 square is, as I said, 1936. 4.4 square will be 19.36, which is close to that. So DQ is approximately, this is approximately 4.4. But you know, in a circle, a perpendicular drawn from center to the chord bisects the chord. So students, I can say DQ is nothing but, this DQ is nothing but half of PQ, or rather PQ is going to be 2 times of DQ. DQ is approximately 4.4. So 2 into 4.4 means PQ is approximately 8.8 meters. So hence my answer is choice D. Right? Students, please do subscribe to my channel so that you will get all the latest videos on CAT and other important exams. For a comprehensive course on geometry and mensuration, please reach my profile at Udemy. The link is given below. You can make use of that. Thank you.